Welcome back, everybody. 'Tis the season. It's that time of year for my annual Blackstone gift giving video. So many options for gift giving in Griddle Nation. Nobody's gonna complain if you give them the best Pro Series griddle or a Blackstone pizza oven, but today we'll try to get you smaller gift ideas, stocking stuffers, or accessories. I like to think outside the box. So you might have a griddler in your life that has a Blackstone 22-inch griddle, maybe a Blackstone 17-inch griddle, the Blackstone 22-inch pizza oven conversion. A number of the small griddles run off the 1-pound propane canisters. Every time I post camping pictures, I get questions from people saying, Todd, where'd you get that small propane canister? This is a 5-pound propane canister. Typically on the 36-inch griddles, we're using a 20-pounder, but you can get a 5-pounder, a 20-pounder, you can go up to a 30-pounder. These are really cool. Perfect gift for somebody that has a smaller griddle or does a lot of travel or adventure griddling. And if you don't have a bulk tank adapter hose, you can just pick one up at Walmart or walmart.com. Small, what could it be? A Blackstone 7-inch chef's knife. You have seen me using this in probably well over 100 videos on the Griddle More Tour. Walmart.com. I think it's under 15 bucks. It is razor sharp right out of the box. And you might have a griddler that needs some new cutlery. I suggest it. Snowfall on the pizza oven. Working on that for next year's Christmas album. Maybe you have a Blackstone pizza maker in your family. Well, this year, Blackstone came out with the perforated pizza peel from Walmart, and it is killer. You have seen me use this in a bunch of videos. Perforated, super long, so you don't need to worry about the flour sticking to your peel. Oh, baby, you slide this straight into the pizza oven. I highly recommend it. That's a good gift right there. And who wouldn't like to receive one of these? Blackstone now has a couple of different wooden cutting boards. This one is from Walmart. You've seen me use this in a lot of videos. Beautiful, beautiful design. You can put that right on the griddle top. And thinking outside the box, some cutting board oil. Believe it or not, every time I use a cutting board in a video, I get questions. Todd, how do I take care of my cutting board? And I always say oil it, and they always respond with what type of oil. Of course, you can use cooking oil. I'll use olive oil, but people use mineral oil for cutting boards, or this, available at Walmart. They call it walrus oil, cutting board oil. Perfect. I did all my cutting boards the other day. So a really cool gift idea, and the recipient is going to know that you put a little bit of thought into it. Along with a 5-pound propane tank, this is probably the other heaviest small Blackstone gift you could give somebody. Oh, new this year. Oh, it's heavy. Blackstone's cast iron pan. Oh, it's very heavy. It's a cast iron pan, comes with a removable handle, and there's even a wooden trivet that it sits on. The possibilities are endless. You can make deep dish or Detroit style pizza in the Blackstone pizza oven. I use this straight on top of my Blackstone griddle. Perfect if you're doing something like fajitas or you want something to look cool. It's a nice presentation piece as well. So Blackstone's cast iron pan, if you want to give a really good gift that is heirloom quality, this is going to last. It's going to stand the test of time. It's the Blackstone cast iron pan. I've showed this idea in the past as well. Thinking outside the box, how about a gift box or a gift platter in this instance? This would be a stir-fry gift platter. A platter that I picked up at Walmart, and different types of ingredients for stir-fry, my favorite thing to make on the Blackstone. Got everything from sesame seeds to my sweet chili sauce, udon noodles, Hokkien noodles, 2 different types of rice noodles. These are really, really good. Again, it shows that you put some thought into your gift giving, and it's something that the griddler in your life is gonna love. Now getting into the super exciting stuff. Every year, Blackstone teams up with Walmart for special Black Friday and whole month of November and December shenanigans. This year, a 25-piece kit. This went on sale a couple of weeks ago, It's $39.97. It's $140 worth of stuff. If you bought everything here separately at Walmart, which is a ton, a matching set of spatulas, we have a hamburger spatula, scraper, rear grease gate, the coveted Blackstone trays, a bunch of scrub pads, the new double egg rings, we have tongs, we have squirt bottles, all kinds of stuff. And while supplies last, my goodness, lots of griddlers would go pretty crazy if they received this in their stocking. That'd be a really big, square, rectangular stocking, wouldn't it? Blackstone has lots of small gifts. It can be a gift or a stocking stuffer. The Blackstone Griddle light, you'll see me using this in a lot of my camping videos. Blackstone's infrared thermometer, pocket size, you can put it in a stocking, perfect for the griddler that needs to know what the temperature of the steak is. Seasonings, Blackstone has lots of different seasonings. Here's two that are really unique and that I really like. Tequila lime, you see me using this in my taco recipes, burritos, quesadillas, etc. Pineapple sriracha, so unique, it's good in stir fry, but it's also good in tacos and Tex-Mex stuff. We showed this earlier. This is part of Blackstone's Black Friday celebration at Walmart. 3 different colors this year: orange with a two-tone, black and orange, hardcover and griddle. There's also a gray and a black version as well. They're $97 for Black Friday at Walmart while supplies last. And last but not least, Blackstone has all types of little gifts, usable everyday items and trinkets, such as a Blackstone coffee cup, an insulated can holder. You could give the griddler in your life a Blackstone coffee tumbler along with a bag of their favorite coffee. So how cool is that? And there's more. Blackstone even has a 36-inch air fryer combo, a griddle ornament. This is all that I could fit into one video. So I certainly appreciate you watching. Hopefully this gives you some ideas for the gift giving season as we approach Christmas. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're watching all the other shows on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd, and I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone griddle, of course.